This first property is a fixer, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, torn down to the studs. As it turns out, this property is zoned R4, which means you can actually have anywhere from 4 to 6 units on it. There's an overhead map showing the property, and as you zoom in, you can see these other buildings around it are $750 to $1 million homes. So this is the property here. These are the homes that have been built around it. I have to ask yourself, why hasn't this property already been developed into a 4 to 6 unit? The next property is even more unique. What is wrong with this Covington home? This home's price just dropped to $430,000. Let's take a look here. Go to street view. This is the front yard, driveway. Pretty nice landscaping in the front. Looks nice from the outside. I don't see any issues. Okay, this listing is set up on a corner lot, 56 by 73 square foot. This home is listed as a 3-bed, 1.5 bath home. Great location, cosmetic fixer, but it's got solid bones. Nice kitchen, dining area, family room, 1-car garage. This home, when fixed up, could go for as high as $640,000 in this area. The property coming up next is going to be a real surprise. This property in Bonnie Lake is a rare opportunity. What you're looking at is only part of the story. This is a 1.7 acre parcel butted right up against a housing subdivision. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, there's a road here going into the subdivision, private drive. And as you roll around this corner, this is the subdivision that butts right up against this particular property. Brokers providing this media. Basically, it's a line drawing by an architect for anywhere from 6 to 8 units on this 1.7 acre parcel. Zoning is unconfirmed for this, but this is an architectural drawing. 100 square foot manufactured home on 1.7 acres. Could this be a 6 to 8 unit development for only $299,000 up front? Buyer to verify with their own due diligence. The next one may really surprise you. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath, beachfront property in Port Orchard could be a gold mine. It's a 2-bed, 1-bath manufactured home. It's in livable condition from a vacation cabin point of view. But for $295,000, you literally would have a view like this looking out your front window. This property gives you 93 feet of frontage, 54 feet deep. This property is zoned UL, which means you can have one home for every acre of land. In this case, it's got 0.1 acres, so it qualifies at 4,356 feet a lot. It is exactly the size it needs to be to have a full-size home on it. While it currently has septic installed, it has sewer at the street, so you literally could build however big a home you wanted to build on it. Of course, any plans to build a larger home would have to be approved by the county. If you like what you saw this week, subscribe so we can bring you more content going forward. See you in the next episode.